Okay, so if I don't make a video about this, you would think I was making this up. Okay, now you see I have my Samsung Galaxy S8 on the charger. The red light is charging. I have it charging from my power surge via USB. See, it's charging. Charging. So let me demonstrate. So this is the power adapter that came with it. This is the original. This is the original cable which you saw that was plugged up into the power surge. Now when I plug this into the wall, it's not charging. I can turn it this way. Still not charging. Now I went out and I bought the wireless charge. So I'm gonna use the power brick that came with the wireless charge. It's charging. Same power brick that came with the S8. I'm about to insert the wireless charge cord into that adapter. Charging. Now that's why I don't understand. The power brick works with this, and it works. I even plugged my PS4, my PS3 cords to charge them with this, and it worked. This works when I plug it into the USB. And look, I'm gonna show you something else. This is the power brick from my Galaxy S5. It's not a fast charge, so I'm gonna show you. And it's even fast charger. They don't say it, but this is the fast charging. So I don't fucking get it. These pieces of shit work. This works, but they're not compatible with my fucking phone, which I had for a year, and all of a sudden it just decided that they don't want to cooperate as a team. It's not my charger port, it's not the cable, it's not the adapter. What the fuck is the problem? If anybody has similar problems, please let me know. If I call Samsung technical support, I'm gonna have a hard time explaining this. So I'm gonna have to just direct them to this video. Any technicians out there, please let me know, because this shit is such a fucking headache. yeah, guys, I'm glad I'm able to do this on the same video. I was about to fucking go nuts, but I solved it. I fixed it. You can see the regular charger that came with it, and it's charging. And something that I didn't even notice, my fast charging isn't working. I'm about to show you something. Now I'm about to unplug it. Now watch when I plug it back up. See how it do the fast charging? And then it'll stop. So that's the issue that I'm gonna have to fix, that I'm gonna have to solve next. But I'm glad I got my charger working. And how did I get it working? With these tools right here. All I did was clean the bottom of the USB port. And there's already videos on YouTube about that, and I was about to go to Walmart and like try some more data cables, charging cables, and if that wouldn't work, I was about to call Samsung. But I'm glad I just say, let me go ahead and just clean it out, and did it. And now I'm just got to get this fast charging to work. So if you had any problems like I did, this cable wasn't even working, period. You saw that my phone was charging with other cables and wall adapters, but I'm glad I got it solved. So I hope you found this video helpful. If anything like this happened to you, now you know what to do. Guys, another update. I got the fast charger working. And the solution, that again, these two. So what I did, I thoroughly did an intense cleaning of the USB port. Like, I was scared that I would have probably messed something up the way I was scraping the bottom of it, but I was able to get a lot of debris. I had my phone in my pocket all day at work, so it's collecting dust and lint. And I even cleaned the USB. I have a USB-C, so I mean, like the inside, I just use this and just put it in there, scraped it, and blew like that, and it's working. Save me money, time, phone calls. Yeah. So I promise you, this is the last update. I solved it, and I looked at one video, and I just read the comments, and people say that they cleaned their USB port and it worked. So give it a try.